drawer and the drawer face and the door. And of course the faucet here. That'll be pretty much the finished product. So he's gonna wire stuff and screw stuff in and the main switch for the battery to release power to the rest of everything else. This is your solar charging and this is your alternator charging from the car. There's reading lights, here's main lights. And they just twist this off, pull that out, pull out the fuse, put in a new one, and whatever blown, the unit will work again.
Setting a new fashion trend.
Yes. The melted light, #1. Beautiful.
Oh,
awesome. And they actually variate now. Yeah. Got your
another
shelf.
You guys rock.
With this, I found the